Now, do you ever feel sometimes like you're carrying the world on your shoulders? Do you sometimes feel like you're carrying more than one world on your shoulders? But have no fear. There's a way of sorting these problems out.
Awesome!
Today we're going to talk about shoulder mobility. First things first, you need a broomstick. 2 hands on the broomstick. When you come up, you start reaching above, this is where it's going to start getting hard. Now, most of us are going to start bending our arms somewhere because it's going to get difficult to get that behind. What you want to do is keep your arms locked at the elbows. And we're going to ride back, behind, right till you get to your butt. Now, I do suggest doing at least 10 reps of these. So here we go. Done my 10 reps. My shoulders feel a little bit warmer. So what I'm going to do now is shorten my grip. I bring my hands a little bit closer. This was the first one, stick. Use the broomstick. The broomstick is powerful. The second one is a little bit more basic. So all I'm going to do now is move my arm backwards, like I'm doing backstroke. And what you're going to pay attention to this time, as you come back, stretch your chest, stretch your bicep. Here we go. And do the other side. Alright, that was about 20. So the next one I'm going to show, about similar in complexity, I'm going to do a forward stroke. And the climax is, we're going to be rotating both arms at the same time. Backwards and forwards. Now the backstroke, I find is easier. So let's start with that one.
And 1, 2, and 3.
Now I'm going to do the forward stroke. If you find that your arms are coming together and crossing, then you know your chest is closed. But if you're open, you know you're doing your best to stay open. It's really hard. Makes me want to pull funny faces. Okay, so 20 of those. And once you've done 20 of those, tell me how you feel. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one. Bye.